Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech. Do you want your mouse to feel just right for your workflow? With the Logitech Signature Comfort Plus mouse, you can fine-tune the pointer speed, scrolling behavior, and more to match your exact preferences. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to use Logi Options Plus to customize your pointer and scroller settings for greater comfort and efficiency. Let's dive right in with 4 simple steps. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of Options Plus from app.logi.com. Step 2. Turn on your Signature Comfort Plus mouse and connect it to your computer via Bluetooth. Step 3. Open Options Plus, select your Signature Comfort Plus mouse, and navigate to the pointer and scroller settings. Here, you'll see all the available options for customizing how your mouse moves and scrolls. Step 4. Now it's time to make your mouse feel just right for you. Adjust the scroll speed to match your reading pace. Enable horizontal scrolling to easily navigate left and right, perfect for wide spreadsheets or large documents. Every change you make is applied instantly, so you can try it out and fine-tune as you go. How do you set up your mouse for maximum comfort and focus? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Logitech tutorials and productivity tips.